Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the episode on Verasity. If you watched my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you, then you may remember we broke down the UAE incorporation proof of view upgrades and that long-term down channel that is formed on the 7 days time frame chart. And the price of Verasity is recently bounced very well from the support of the channel. And now in this video, I have some more updates for you, especially the follow-ups of the previous information as well. And this time again, we got verifiable coverage from CoinDesk, Binance Research, WAM, that is a UAE-based news agency that I've been telling in my previous videos as well, and Reuters. And all these outlets are showing how partnerships, blockchain utility, and even macro-level politics, like Trump's latest tariff policy, are influencing VRA's trajectory. And before the end of this video, I'll again take you to the live chart to show you my price analysis and prediction for VRA's price. Now, first of all, let's take a look at again UAE and enterprise momentum. And according to WAM from UAE, that is a UAE-based agency, news agency, and Cointelegraph MENA, MENA, they also cover Middle Eastern news. Verasity's ad tech arm, Veraview's DMCC, has now secured active onboarding with UAE-based enterprise advertising networks, expanding under the NextGen FDI program, the same program backed by the UAE Ministry of Economy. And this is really huge. It means Verasity isn't just a blockchain startup anymore. It's now a recognized participant in a government-backed innovation hub, opening direct channels with Middle Eastern broadcasters and e-commerce advertisers as well. But here is the global twist comes in. Just last week, Reuters and Bloomberg Crypto reported on Donald Trump's new 100% tariffs on Chinese tech imports, and that's a big move shaking global tech supply chains. But interestingly, analysts at CoinDesk Markets note that this policy is pushing ad tech and data integrity projects like Verasity further into spotlight, since Western and Gulf-based companies are now searching for non-Chinese, blockchain-verified ad infrastructure partners. In short, geopolitics just gave Verasity a new strategic advantage. Now let's take a look at the ecosystem updates and tokenomics reform. And Binance Research confirms that Verasity's multi-chain rollout across Binance Smart Chain and Base Network is completed. That's, by the way, giving VRA broader access to DeFi liquidity pools. And at the same time, CEO Mark Firth announced the final phase of Verasity's tokenomics overhaul, which is now permanently separates proof of view reward emissions from the circulating VRA supply. Messari analysts call this a deflationary credibility move, potentially reducing inflation pressure before the next bull cycle. So to wrap it up, government-backed adoption in UAE, real multi-chain utility, Trump's tariff driving new Western Gulf tech alliances, and with a leaner deflationary token model, Verasity's 2025 and 2026 setup might just be the strongest we have seen since its inception. Now we are on the live chart of Verasity, and you can see that due to recent market volatility, the price line was again dropped down at the channel, but that was just a spike for a few moments, and the price line is bounced very well from the support of this channel. At the same time, if we take a look at this RSI oscillator on the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that it has started the lowest value since after the month of June 2023. Recently, it was dropped down here. The value of RSI, you can, by the way, watch here. That was at 38.71, and here it was 36.08, and here it was 39.62. And here it was almost 39.80. Recently, it was dropped down up to here at 34.81. That is, by the way, the lowest value since then. And now, therefore, the price is recovered back, and I'm expecting that it soon it can again make more attempts to read the resistance of this big and long-term down channel. But before that, first we will need to break out this downtrend line resistance that was in fact the resistance of this previous descending triangle. Then we will need to break out this key resistance on that starts from 0.002 and goes to 0.00238, and after that it can hit the resistance of this huge down channel somewhere here, possibly at 0.0041 or $42. But once Verasity will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive and long-term price reversal, and the long-term target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.